33 County. It'd be 23 Windsor Drive. I got sights on the subject at 32.
14233.
Sir, put the gun down on the ground, please.
It's legal.
Put the gun on the ground.
It's legal, sir.
Put the gun on the ground.
Yes, sir.
You got any other weapons on you or anything?
No, sir.
Turn around for me. Keep your hands above your head.
It's legal. I got a right to open carry.
You can't walk down the middle of the street with a firearm on your arm.
Well, the Attorney General said we can.
I've never even heard of that before.
Yes, sir. If you don't have a concealed carry, you're allowed to open carry.
And now you can't walk down the middle of the street with a firearm like that.
Apparently you can't. I mean, I was told you could.
And to my knowledge, you can't walk down the street with a firearm like that in the middle of the city.
Well, the Attorney General, Doug Gansler, said in federal court on the Woolard decision that Maryland doesn't need to have concealed carry because we all have open carry. And that's a legal firearm, so I was just openly carrying it.
You shouldn't be able to walk down the middle of Pratt Street in Baltimore loaded up with AK-47s.
Do you have any idea on you?
Yes, sir. Right here. Here's my driver's license.
Take that out for me.
Yes, sir. My driver's license.
Okay, like I said, as far as I'm concerned, you're not allowed to be carrying that rifle down there. I've not been told anything else from that.
If you check with the sheriff, I'm sure he'll be able to tell you that it's okay.
Let me try calling him.
Yes, sir.
County to 200, 233 to 200.
I'm doing good, Sheriff. How are you, sir?
Good. What's going on?
Subject was walking down the roadway with that rifle on his shoulder.
Brother, you know you can't do that.
Well, actually, Sheriff, Gansler said you can. The Attorney General.
Down the road with a gun like that over your shoulder. I don't care what the Attorney General says. When somebody sees that, they're going to call us, and when we respond, you're going to be looking down the barrel of our guns, man. You can't walk.
I don't want that, but I mean, I'm just trying to exercise my Second Amendment rights. The Attorney General said in federal court that we don't need to have a concealed carry, even if you're legally qualified, because you have open carry in Maryland, and that's what he said in federal court. So we don't have. You either have open carry or you have concealed carry. And
he was walking down the road with this on his shoulder?
Had it strapped around his shoulder, sir.
Yes, sir. It's perfectly legal. I mean, the firearm's legal. There's nothing illegal about it.
Man, but when we get a call like that, you can understand from our perspective, you walking down the road like this with something over this slung over your shoulder.
I agree with you,
Sheriff. Whether it's a shotgun or a 22 or an AR-15, it doesn't matter. I mean, we have got to respond, and I can tell you right now, we can't just let people walk down the road like this with guns over their shoulder.
That's why I've been working for years to get rid of good and substantial impediments so that everybody who's qualified can have a concealed carry.
Well, I don't necessarily disagree with you on that. I got to be honest with you, but still, when we get calls like this, we got to respond. And wow, I'm surprised we didn't get a call before now.
Well, I'm not looking to scare any. I was just going over there to the store.
Yeah, Mike, you can't walk them over this over your shoulder, man.
Okay.
Let's go and get this secured in your vehicle. I see it's unloaded.
Okay.
Let's go and get this in your vehicle when we can get you out of here. I appreciate you calling me, Hal. I really do. But
thank you, Sheriff.
You got to get that in your vehicle.
Thank you, Deputy. I appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you, man.
I'll take it up with the Attorney General.
Let's get this thing secured.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Brother. Appreciate it. How things going?
They're going well. Going well. They were going well till just now.
I can understand that.